Does India require a uniform civil code 2023? A strong study. The Supreme Court of India argued for the need for a standard civil code in October 2015 and stated that this cannot be allowed, else every religion will claim that it has the authority to rule certain issues as a matter of its law. What is Uniform Civil Code? The Uniform Civil Code, UCC, in India aims to replace existing personal laws with a unified body of regulations, ensuring equality and secularism for all Indians. The proposed law is controversial, with supporters claiming it would advance equality and secularism, while opponents argue it would interfere with religious customs. Although not legally binding, the UCC is considered a desirable outcome by the government. Article 44 of the Indian Constitution mandates a unified civil code to ensure equal treatment of all Indians, regardless of religion. This concept is seen as a fundamental concept of secularism and equality. The code aims to replace existing personal laws with a unified set of rules, strengthening national unity. However, it is seen as a political and delicate issue, as it touches sensitive subjects like religion and personal beliefs. Despite the constitutional mandate, it has been challenging for succeeding administrations to create a universal civil code. History of Uniform Civil Code. The concept of a uniform civil code in India may be traced back to the colonial period when the British issued a series of laws aimed at codifying and reforming personal laws. Following independence, the idea of a uniform civil code was included as a directive principle in the Indian Constitution, with Article 44 saying that the state shall seek to obtain for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. Benefits of Uniform Civil Code. There are several potential benefits to implementing a uniform civil code in India. Some of these include promoting equality. A uniform civil code would ensure that all citizens are treated equally under the law, regardless of their religion. This could help to reduce discrimination and biases based on religious and cultural differences. Promoting secularism. A uniform civil code would remove the need for separate personal laws based on religion, promoting a secular and inclusive society. Simplifying the legal system. A uniform civil code would simplify the legal system by replacing the current patchwork of personal laws with a single set of laws that apply to all citizens. Challenges in implementing Uniform Civil Code. Some of the challenges faced while implementing Uniform Civil Code are as follows. Religious and cultural opposition. Some religious and cultural groups may object to a UCC because they may view it as compromising with their laws and customs. Political criticism. The issue of a UCC is highly contentious and sensitive, and it may face opposition from political parties and organizations seeking to safeguard the interests of their voters. Limited legal enforceability. The execution of a UCC as a directive principle is not legally enforceable. This may make it difficult for the government to implement such a code, even if it can overcome other challenges. Conclusion. The issue of a uniform civil code in India is a complex and controversial one, with arguments both in favor and against its implementation. Supporters argue that a uniform civil code would promote equality, secularism, and national unity, while opponents argue that it would interfere with religious practices and cultural traditions. Implementing a uniform civil code in India would likely be a challenging process due to the diversity of religious and cultural practices in the country, as well as the political and legal hurdles that would need to be overcome. Thank you for watching this video. Visit mbagdtopics.com for more. Let us know what you think in the comments section below, and also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.